So load cell on the decaf grinder, threw in the fucking towel. Said, fuck you, I'm not working. And I'm hoping that's all that was wrong with the grinder because it made the thermostat all fucked up. Fan wouldn't turn off, wouldn't calibrate, yada yada yada. Anyway, I overnighted a new load cell. And we're gonna put it back together, see what happens. I bought the 1 kilogram fucking calibration weight. What a scam, $20. The fucking brand one though was like 100. It's like, that's stupid. But anyway, so load cell, back into the grinder. And as you can see, this motherfucker is completely apart because for some reason, load cell goes on bottom, but the fucking plug comes all the way to the top in the back of the fucking screen. And to do that, you gotta take the whole fucking guts out of this thing. So I'm gonna clean this up, give it a little vacuum, and hopefully the motherfucker works. So we'll see. Should be good. Oh, I didn't put the fucking screws in the screen. Oops. Get this back out. Came out easy. Seems about right. Should be those. That's out of the way. Nothing in the way. Okay. So that tucked in. Obviously, this big mofo goes right here. This some bitch went right here. Okay. Put the wires down. I'm holding the fucking camera and using the wrench at the same time. That's why I look stupid. I am really hoping this fucking works. Actually, I gotta brag a little bit. Fucking the company I used, not sponsored or anything, whatever. I don't know if I have to say all that, but is espresso parts. And I overnighted this bitch. Being shit, it was here at fucking 10 o'clock this morning. I ordered it yesterday at like fucking 9 in the morning. Yeah. So that's fucking awesome. Get it all snug. Not tight, just snug. Same thing. What the fuck? Where's my T20s? This one is T20 apparently, not T25. Fucking tricked me. This better not be a deal where I wind up with extra parts. Alright, so upsy daisies. Don't get fucked up the new boat, so. And that's what we got clean. See all that? It's a little coffee buildup. Vacuum. Okay, this guy, all it does is you got these screws. Don't drop it. twist, and we'll torque it in. Snug. So this little badge thingy holds it in place. Drop the washer. Hold on. So there's a little hole right there. And that's what we gotta line this up with. It has all the safeties and shit. It's a cool little piece. Look at that. Dope, right? So there's the little hole lining up thingy. This is a tiny ass one. I think this is a T15 maybe? No, it's like a T10. The littlest motherfucker I got. I didn't have the right size the other day, but luckily I was able to get it out to the flathead. Don't do that, by the way. Doesn't seem. Maybe I have the washer on the wrong side. That's very possible. Stick you out. Grab the washer. I wonder if the washer went down here. Oh, it did. That's what I fucked up. Washer goes right there. Right there. So hold on. That little washer. It goes under this, not between it and the badge. So, notes taken. It's gonna be a bitch to line up. Ooh, I think I got it. Fucking first try. That makes more sense. Yeah, so the washer goes in that little gap to keep that space. It was all on this side. So there we go. So other grinder bar is in there. Oh, next, don't forget this piece. And there is a backwards way to do this. You will fuck up your grinder and get really confused because I've done it. So there's a little metal thing and there's a little flappy thing. It goes in front of like the spout out thing, whatever, right after the burrs. So when the coffee's grinding, the coffee goes through it but can't back flush into it. And this little thing keeps the flappy thingy from going back into it. So metal towards the burrs, flappy back. And this is actually really critical to clean too. So if you have one of these and it starts like just throwing fucking grinds all over the portafilter and it's just fucking messy, you're like, oh, it's static. It's not. That fucking thing is dirty and it's just going. So clean that. That should be a preventative maintenance. I do mine at least once a month. And I learned that the hard way because the first time I had that problem, I didn't know what the fuck. And I finally found someone saying, hey, it's this. So anyway, here's the top piece. This little gasket, it's the hopper gasket. This is dirty, I'll clean it in a minute. But this is really cool. This is how it locks in. That is the locked position, if you look right there. So we set it down on the unlock, and then it locks. This was also a bitch for me to learn how to take off because it can get caught. And logo goes to the back. So there it is. It's setting on there, and then we just turn this to the lock. Kind of click there, and then we just tighten down those screws from the screwdriver. Fucking one-handed wonder here. Just snug those up in the lock position. Make sure that motherfucker's in the lock position. So it's the problem to begin with, is the fucking load cell. It's cool, it came with the extra little foot thingy, because on the load cell, it has this. And so what this does, there's a gap, close, right here, and this just is supposed to suspend in that gap, but you gotta make sure these little feet are under it, otherwise you'll tweak it. So it kind of locks in like that. It doesn't lock, so it's got to be suspended. Otherwise, it won't read right. But yeah, it came with new ones, so we'll use the fucking new ones. Because why the fuck? Apparently, I can't open a bag. This is also not my only problem. The other day, I had the fucking pitcher rinser. Decided to just split an O-ring. Well, it's not an O-ring. It's one of those flat, like sink washer things, but it's soft like an O-ring. So I couldn't find one locally because no one had a fucking soft one, which was really fucking interesting. But different problem, different day. I ordered those parts. They were not as prompt. I should have probably ordered them from this company as well. But they were quite a bit more expensive, and I mean, overnight was $40 for this. This fucking load cell was $200, which is a cheap fix for a $3,200 grinder now, thanks to good old fucking Terrace. So we won't get into that. Anyway, so yeah, this just screws together here. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. And for some reason, this one's a fucking Phillips head. I don't know either. So, this is the portafilter holder thingy, and it just attaches. Thing is, this holder, the portafilter holder, is not supposed to touch anything. It's supposed to suspend. And I think that was the problem. I actually think this base is bent. It's got a little tweak to it. And I think that caused the load cell to tweak. I also think, so it all started with me getting false readings. Like, it wouldn't give me my 19.5 I had programmed. It'd be all over the fucking place. And when I went to calibrate it, I didn't have the weight, but I can use a custom weight. It was constantly fluctuating without even touching it. So that is not good. Put this here. So remember how I said it's got to like lock in? Those little pieces are under it. See how I can't pick it up now? Got the other bolts right here. Just gonna slightly lean this guy back. Get him started. Very confident this base is bent. I don't know if I should try to bend it back. And on these, just snug. That might be one of those Phillips heads, just so you can only do snug. So, there's always supposed to be a gap right here. And right now there's fucking not. So that tells me the base is fucking bent. So I'm going to unscrew this and try to bend it back. It's just aluminum. For some reason, I looked up, I found the base. $300 fucking dollars. It's literally just this little thin piece of metal. So we're gonna loosen this because that confirms it is fucked. You know, we're just gonna take it all the way out. It just ain't worth it. It ain't fucking worth it. There's no like fucking way just to grab this fucker. Yep. There it is. Oh, that's a lot better. Before it would like fucking rickety rock there. So let's try again. Another funny story, back to the oil field days, for the fluid levels and the dynos on rod pumps, this fucking load cell is the same exact design that we would use on polish rods. And you would just clamp it down. If you've ever used fluid level equipment, you would know what I'm talking about. But when you clamp it down, it has this little bridge, and the rod stretches, you know, a little bit with the weight. That's how it would make a fucking dyno card. Which is really neat. I think I got it. Okay. Fuck. This guy just goes in the front. It literally just clicks in. Perfect. Has to be in there. Hopper has to be on. Yada yada yada. Alright, it's plugged in. How do you hear it? Ooh, got a light. Lit. Screen. Oh, got a screen. Fuck yeah. Can you see it? Yes, that is good. It means I plugged something up there. The fucking fault for the temperature's gone, so that is good to know. Apparently when these things have a fault, it throws a bunch of faults. So the other day when the load cell went bad, fucking camera timed out. I know you can't tell, but my screen timed out. I'm looking at myself. So that's at 99 degrees Celsius. I'm like, the fuck it is. So there's a warning. Let's check out the warning. Info. Alerts. Hopper dismounted. Oh. Well, let's fix that. Actually. Remember, there's that gasket in there. We did put it in. This just clicks. There's also a screw in the back to keep it in place, but I don't fucking deal with that. Okay. No active alerts. Fuck yeah. It's better than I got the other day. Decaf. It's all bagged. I threw out what was in the hopper the other day. Because I didn't think my shit would actually be in here this soon. So, just here. Oh, it smells delicious. For decaf, it smells so good. Killing profits. One, make sure the discs are good. Let's do 110. It is good. Ready? So I may have fucked up and forgot to hit the record button. Grinder fucking works. That was like, no, I hit record. I fucking hope I hit record. I'm gonna be so pissed off at myself if I did it. We're gonna find out in a fucking minute. But anyway, fucking grinder works. We're gonna try it again just because today. $19.3 again. Fucking money. Oh, but yeah, anyway, this is the fucking next problem. There is a temporary O-ring in there. It does not fit right, but it is holding back water. So I hope those parts get here soon. Anyway, fucking mission fucking accomplished. Now I get to take a little picture and say, hey guys, we got decaf back. Don't fret. As if anyone cared. Actually, I only got asked for decaf once today. Which is fine. I am so fucking proud. I could just... That was the fucking decaf grinder fix. Which is cool. Got some extra parts now for some dumb shit. Just kidding, it's just a couple screws. I'm actually missing one. What the fuck? Oh, nope. I'm just blind. There it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up real quick. You know, it's still early. It's only 4:30. I've gotten a lot accomplished. Shop shut down, ran a couple errands, and got the fucking load cells changed. It's fucking awesome. So, I might actually fucking edit this video before it's 2 months old, which I'm trying to be more disciplined about, so. Anyway, I'm gonna clean her up real quick.